Students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we discuss 12th standard chemistry hydroxy compounds and ether lesson. Topic IUPAC nomenclature. Students, last class discussed IUPAC name of some compounds. In its continuation, today we are going to discuss about next 4 compounds IUPAC name. Okay, students. So hydroxy compounds. What is hydroxy compounds? So hydroxy compounds means an organic compound containing hydroxyl functional group is generally named as alcohol. So IUPAC nomenclature. So what is IUPAC? So IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, and IUPAC is the world authority on chemical nomenclature. Okay, students. So IUPAC names consist of 3 parts. So IUPAC name of an organic compound consists of 3 parts. First one part prefix, second one parts root word, third one parts suffix. So suffix divide to primary suffix and secondary suffix. Okay, students. So prefix denotes substituent attached to the chain which is placed before the root. So substituents attached to main chain. Okay, students. Then next one, root word is the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing functional groups. Then next one, primary suffix. Primary suffix denotes the saturation or unsaturation of the organic compounds. Then last one, secondary suffix denotes functional group and a functional group phased after the root word. Functional group phased after the root word. So IUPAC name of an organic compound consists of 3 parts: prefix, root word, suffix. So prefix denotes substituent. Then root word is the denote longest carbon chain. Then primary suffix denote saturation or unsaturation of the compound. Then next one, secondary suffix denotes functional group. Okay, students. So now name the organic compound benzyl alcohol. Structural formula of the benzyl alcohol is shown in display. Students, now name the benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol is the common name. Benzyl alcohol is the common name. Now name the given compound. Students, benzene ring or phenyl ring is attached to methyl alcohol. So one hydrogen is replaced by adding one phenyl ring. So now name this. So hydroxyl functional group. So only one carbon. This phenyl ring is substituent. So substituents placed first carbon. So name phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol is the IUPAC name of benzyl alcohol. So substituent phenyl, root word only one carbon. Functional group hydroxyl functional group. So name phenyl methanol. Okay, students. So first one, prefix position number. So only one carbon. So one phenyl. So only one carbon. So no mention number. So phenyl. So root word only one carbon system. So meth. Prefix. So saturated compound. So ANE silent. Then secondary suffix functional group, hydroxyl functional group. Add all. So IUPAC name of benzyl alcohol is phenyl methanol. Okay, students. Then next one compound allyl alcohol. So now I name the allyl alcohol. Structural formula of allyl alcohol is shown. CH2 double bond CH2OH. Students, the basic rules to name the organic compound. First, select the continuous chain of carbon atom containing hydroxyl functional group. Students, this is the chain containing hydroxyl functional group. So now numbering the carbon atom 1, carbon atom 2, carbon atom 3. So 3 carbon system. Root word prof. So one double bond present. So add primary suffix ene, primary suffix. Then secondary suffix all. There is no substituent in the given compound. So numbering the carbon atom in the chain and a carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl functional group as a lowest possible number. So numberings from right to left is correct, but left to right is incorrect. It is not possible. Left to right is not possible. Reason is carbon bearing the hydroxyl functional group as the lowest possible number. So numbering right to left is correct. So 3 carbon system prof. 1 double bond is present. So unsaturated compound, add ene, primary suffix, secondary suffix all. So name of allyl alcohol is, IUPAC name of allyl alcohol is propanol. So double bond present at second carbon. So prof 2 in 1 all is the IUPAC name of allyl alcohol. So there is a no substituent. So root word is 3 carbon prof. Then primary suffix. So unsaturated compound. So double bond at a second carbon. So 2ene. Then functional group attached to first carbon. So 1 all. So IUPAC name of the allyl alcohol is prof 2 in 1 all. Okay students, clear? Understand? Then next one compound, cyclohexyl alcohol. So structural formula of cyclohexyl alcohol is shown. So one cyclohexane ring with a hydroxyl functional group. One cyclohexane ring, one hydroxyl functional group. Students, so ring is closed. So root word 6 carbon system. Now numbering the carbons. Ring is closed. 6 carbons in the structure. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6. So 6 carbon system, cyclo X. So 6 carbon X, ring is closed. So cyclo X is the root word. So molecular formula of the given compound is C6H11OH. C6H11OH is the molecular formula of cyclohexyl alcohol. Then hydroxyl functional group attached to first carbon. So no substituent. So compound is saturated. So add ANE. So IUPAC name of the given compound is cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol is the IUPAC name of cyclohexyl alcohol. Cyclohexyl alcohol is the common name. Cyclohexyl alcohol is the common name. So IUPAC name of cyclohexyl alcohol is cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol is the IUPAC name of cyclohexyl alcohol. Then students, hydroxyl functional group attached to first carbon, so no mention number. Reason is no substituent, only functional group is present. Then root word is cyclic, closed. So IUPAC name of the cyclohexyl alcohol is cyclohexanol. Then next one compound glycerol. Structural formula of the glycerol is shown. So CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. So 3 hydroxyl group present and a 3 carbon system. Now numbering the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon present. So root word prof. Compound is saturated. So no double bond, only single bond. So add ANE. Then functional group attached to 3 carbon. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So secondary suffix is 1, 2, 3 all. 1, 2, 3 all. So root word prof. Okay students. Now name the glycerol. Propane 1, 2, 3 all. Propane 1, 2, 3 all is the IUPAC name. So propane 1, 2, 3 all. So 3 OH group is present. So use triol. So 1 OH group all, 2 OH group diol, 3 OH group triol. So IUPAC name of the glycerol is the propane 1, 2, 3 triol. 1, 2, 3 triol. So numbering, so molecule is symmetrical. So numbering start from left to right or right to left or correct. Okay, why? Molecule is symmetrical. So both side same. Structure. Okay students. So IUPAC name of the given organic compound is the propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Propane 1, 2, triol. Then next one compound. Okay students, thank you.